Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and notification bell to be notified when I upload. And if you're not, welcome back to another video. I started with the back and I did that off camera. Now I'm starting with the front and working my way to the back. And I am trying to cut where the knot is the best that I can so that it will be easier to take out. So I decided to take it out because it didn't come out the way that I imagined it, and it was getting on my nerves, and because it's really hot and it was all the way down to my back, and it was not difficult to put it in a ponytail. I don't know what hairstyle I'm gonna do next. Even though I'm transitioning, I do want to wear a protective style, but I think I'm gonna wear my real hair for a while. While I was doing this video, I wasn't really in the mood because people was getting on my nerves all day. But I already had this video planned out, so I was like, I was gonna do it anyway. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video so far. Let me know if you guys will like the video in real time or speed it up sometimes. Just braiding the ends of this braid because it can loose. growth oil, and I'm gonna put it in between my braids. The only thing I don't like about this is it itches really bad and it kind of smells weird. I really want to cut my hair one day so that it can grow evenly, because I feel like it's not growing, and if it is, it's probably growing like little inches. So this is the wig that I'm going to be wearing. I did a video on this wig. I will link it in the description if you guys want to see it. If you guys like this video, leave a like down below and leave a comment and share this video on your social media, and I will see you guys in my next video.